This is Shawn with Guaranteed Rate Affinity, mortgage lender here in Columbia. Been doing this about 21 years.
I'm Brian Hunt, so I brought Shawn in today to kind of go over a little bit of the VA loans and construction loans. There's a lot of new construction in Columbia, neighborhoods that are building new homes. From a VA construction loan, I'm not sure that really exists. It may somewhere, but in our market, we're mainly looking at spec houses that are built, that are going to be completed, and most of the people that are buying those have a loan commitment. Is that sort of what a VA loan can be used for in new construction rather than a construction loan?
Absolutely, we can do that. And what we do is we do what's called in financing, take out financing. So the builder's going to carry the cost through the construction. We'll actually do your VA loan and start that about 60 days prior to closing on the new house. And with that product, you'll be able to do the 100% financing. And with the deposit that most builders are taking for earnest money, that's pretty much going to cover any out-of-pocket expenses that you're going to have for closing costs and prepaids.
Okay.
So the great thing about that is you won't have to bring additional money to closing typically. And a lot of times you're getting part of that refunded back to you. So when you go to closing, getting a check, which is always a nice feeling.
So I've always been curious, when you lock into a contract with a builder and they say it's going to take 6 months to complete the house, is there anything that you can do on the front end of the VA loan, or do you have to wait until you get 60 days out before you can really lock in the rate and all that stuff?
Great question. With that product, we do offer extended rate lock options.
Oh, good.
So we can go up to a full year on the rate lock.
Okay.
The loan would then go ahead and go into processing. We just wouldn't order an appraisal until we got closer, because the VA likes for it to be about 95% complete before they send out their appraiser. But we can definitely do that, lock in, and we do have a great product that you can put a deposit to hold that interest rate, and that deposit, unlike most lenders, is refunded back to you at closing and credits towards any money you would need for closing.
Okay.
So if you were having to bring money, that's going to offset that. If you've already got that covered with your earnest money, it's just going to be an increase in your refund.
Great.
So,
check out any of the properties on our website at huntllc.com, and there's a lot of new construction neighborhoods in there. And then you can call somebody like Shawn to help you with the loan, and he's very knowledgeable and can kind of walk you through the process.